Okay, so for right now, let's just go ahead and I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Let's change a template. I'm gonna come down here, I'm gonna click change template, and let's go ahead and pull in a squeeze page so you can see what these look like. I'll go with this squeeze page right here. Now see this little eyeball here? We can go ahead and preview this page, and we can actually look at it and see what it would look like on a mobile device. We can see what it would look like on an iPad. Lots of options available. If I come over to this here, look at all these settings we have. If we want an attention bar, we can click this here. And now we can enable the attention bar, and check this out. See this bar up here at the top? You can come over here, you can customize your message, you can put in your link text, then we can put in a link URL. But guys, there's so much here. Pop-up settings. If you want to enable a pop-up, we come over here and we can say every time the page is loaded, just for the first time, once a day, once a week, once a month, once per browser session. There's so much you can do. We click edit pop-up. Here's that lightbox window, and we know that we can create a custom pop-up. We just drag in our titles, we drag in our opt-in form, and boom, that's how fast that happens. But we're not done just yet. Exit splashes. If we want to enable an exit splash, we click this here. Here's the message. Here's where the URL goes to. Welcome gates, script codes, graphics. Watch this. I click on graphics. There are tons of graphics in the library. We've got bullets, arrows, buy buttons, highlights. There is so much here, guys. I don't have enough time to show you all of the features, the graphics, and the benefits of using Instabuilder 2.0. Credit card icons. Check this out. Everything is here that you need. It is unbelievable what is included with this package. But if I come over here, obviously I can save it, but check this out. If I come over here, I can publish this to Facebook. I can publish this to HTML. I can even save this as a template so that I can go and open up this page later on. Now, that kind of covers this corner over here. We haven't even gotten into the split testing yet or the statistics, but I want to show you something else that I absolutely love. If I come over here, this is a lead capture form, and obviously it's using the two-step opt-in. You don't see a form here, you just see a button. Watch this. You're going to see something you've never seen before. I click this here. I come over here to my settings. Now, obviously, I'm going to have full control over what I want to do with this button. If I want to change the highlight color, the button text, the button style, if I want to make it round, if I want to make it square, if I want to change the target link, all that stuff is cool. Okay, you already know you can do this, but watch this. I'm going to click on the actual box itself. I'm going over here to my settings, and we can set our margin and padding, our background color, our background image, borders, rounded, opacity, and shadow. But look at this one. I can open up this one that says display delay, and I can enable a display delay. And what I can do is I can set it to where when this page opens up, it's gonna wait 15 seconds, and then this box will display. So they're looking at this beautiful image, and then all of a sudden, 15 seconds in, 10 seconds in, 5 seconds in, whatever you choose to do, this box right here will appear so that then they can go through the two-step opt-in process. Guys, that is what we call a pattern interrupt, and the few tests we've done, they have converted like crazy. Awesome stuff included with Instabuilder 2.0 that you are not going to find anywhere else. But watch this. There's so much more here to show you. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change the template one more time. And I'm going to come back over here to a sales page. And let's just go ahead and go with the same sales page real quick. So here's that template. Now, I know you guys have seen what we're calling the 3.0 designs. Those are the full width designs. And you see a bar going all the way across here. You see a bar going all the way across here. Full width. And you guys are probably wondering, how in the world are they creating those? Well, watch this. Come over here. See these three buttons at the top? We have section, and wide background box. Just to give you an idea, I'm going to drag this section in here. We're going to click this, 1, 2, 3, come over here to the settings, and we have our basic settings that opened up over here. Now, all this is looking familiar. Why? We want it to be easy for you, but look at this one. Come over here to background color, and we can set a transparent background color. We can go ahead and choose our background color, or we can even put a picture here, or we can put a pattern behind here. And that's how you create those full width designs. Very simple to do. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the statistics real quick, and then we're going to wrap up this video. So I'm going to come over here to this drop down. I'm going to say exit the editor. I'm not going to save this page.